Hi, I'm Mark Polk, co-owner of RV Education 101. After retiring from the Army in 1996, I got back into the industry I have a passion for, the RV industry. While working as an RV sales manager over 20 years ago, I was concerned about the lack of education for the RV consumer. After we gave new RV owners an in-depth class on their new RV, I would get phone calls a day or two later telling me they forgot something we said during the class or asking me how to do this or do that again. I realized what the problem was. We gave new RV owners too much information in a short period of time for them to retain the information. That's when we started RV Education 101. We produce RV training videos on how to use and maintain RVs. Since 1999, through our training videos, books and ebooks, and our YouTube channel, we have helped educate millions of RV owners. When we started the company, our RV training videos were on VHS tapes, then DVDs, online training programs, and then video apps. Now we're proud to announce our latest RV online training program. We updated our RV training videos and developed this new program. The videos are broken down by chapter, and within each chapter you get full-feature video segments, related articles written by me, short video segments that apply to that chapter, helpful tips, play and learn crossword puzzles, and quizzes designed to help you retain the information. Today, in the information age, anyone with a camera can post videos on the internet, but the problem is lots of these videos have erroneous information. RV Education 101 is here to help you with your RV education. We provide comprehensive and easy to follow RV training on every topic imaginable. You don't need to join any clubs or pay extravagant fees to learn about your RV, and we don't inundate you with unwanted emails every day. I have always said we want to be there for you with our RV training materials until you don't need us anymore. Our goal is to provide you with affordable, quality training on how to properly and safely use and maintain your RV. It's that simple. Take a minute to visit www.RV Online Training and start your RV education today. Happy camping.